Hey everyone, how are you? Here we are, back again with a new video. But this time, before we start the video, I would like to tell you something. We love interacting with you people. We love sharing our viewpoints with you all. But before that, we used to feel whether we'll be liked, we'll not be liked. We were a little confused. पर तब सोचा अगर खुद पर हो यकीन तो अंधेरे में भी रास्ते मिल जाते हैं. So why to stop? Let's gear it up and let's do it. Well, hope you all remember in our last video, we had talked about speaking and we had shared few elements with you for speaking also. I can and I will. Yay, you all guess it right. We are talking about one very important element, and that is confidence. Confidence. What is it? Why is it needed? Well, we'll tell you everything. Just wait and watch. And yes, by the end of the video, we have few very simple basic suggestions to gain confidence and you'll win any battle you go for. So here we have Apurva ma'am. Yes, ma'am. What is confidence and why is it needed?
Confidence. What does it look like? Can I purchase it, or can I borrow it from you?
No.
Uh, of course, confidence is within. All of us are confident individuals. We dream, we aspire, we achieve. But of course, there are certain situations wherein we do take a step back. Why does this happen? Why can't I just raise hand and say, yes, ma'am, I want to participate in this competition? Shyness, hesitation, fear of being judged by our friends, their reactions. All these apprehensions are just normal. But yes, there is 100% possibility that we can overcome it. You can overcome it. We just have to bridge the gap between what we are inspired with and actually getting started. Accept your shyness, accept your weaknesses, accept your fear. Till the time you are not going to acknowledge these, you will not be able to chalk out a plan to conquer it. Like till the time we are not going to diagnose what the problem actually is, how are we going to cure it? So let's get started, chalk out a plan, and come out and shine. Yes, that I will do it. I am doing it. So there is a saying, life doesn't require for us to be best, only that we do our best. So lastly, just remember one thing, that confidence is not related to your status, your qualifications, your degrees. It's just your perspective, that how good and casual you feel about yourself. So let's divert this discussion towards Navneet ma'am to know certain specific suggestions of how we can overcome it and shine bright. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Apurva ma'am. How wonderfully and simply you just explained what is confidence and why is it needed. You know what? When we start sowing a seed, does it grow into a plant automatically? No. We have to nurture it. That is what we need. We have to nurture ourselves. It is the time to nurture ourselves. So here we have 10 simple basic suggestions to gain confidence and do what we want. First, kill all the negative thoughts. Don't let them overpower you. They're not going to take you anywhere. Get to know yourself, very important. We should know what we are. We should know our caliber. We should know our weaknesses. Only then we'll not fear, our weaknesses. So don't be afraid. Don't fear anything. Exercise, extremely important. It refreshes our mind, refreshes our body, and makes us positive. Very needed. So act positively. Don't give up, but act positively. Don't care what others think about you. You might find people who are judging you, maybe laughing. It's okay. We need to just ignore them. Very important. And do what you want. Do something which you are passionate about. Take up a hobby. Take it further. It will give you positivity. It will make you happy. And with happiness, it reminds me, last but not the least, is stand tall and smile. Smile will do everything. It's a wonderful, it's a wonderful medicine for all the diseases, in fact. And this confidence is nothing if we take up all these 10 things and we include in our lives. It is said that confidence is a superpower. And once you gain confidence, you'll start feeling the magic. So we hope today, with this video, you all will start doing and start practically including these elements in your life. And just wait and watch for some time. You'll nail it and you'll win any battle there.
So here we are to the end of the session. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I hope there are some important takeaways from your side. So we'll meet in the next video, and I hope you are, empowering you and empowering the others, around you. So enjoy and bye from our side, and don't forget to join us on
Bye-bye.
Facebook. Bye.
Bye, everyone.